Welcome to my show. Today we're going to be talking about something that can be pretty stressing to some people, I should say. And that is, some people do not want to move their furniture. Why? Why do you ask? Because they don't want their dents to show in their carpet. Now that can be embarrassing to them. And so, what we are going to talk to you today about is how to get out the dents, so that the embarrassment is taken away and you can move your furniture wherever you would like. So, the things that you need to use, first of all, have an iron. Now, the iron needs to be set. Set the dial to cotton. You have a plate do not set it on the carpet. You also have a rag and a bucket of water. Please do not put the iron directly on your carpet. Make sure that you have a cloth over it. But first of all, we need to get the cloth wet. After we get the cloth wet, then you take the cloth and you put it directly over the dent. After you have put the damp rag over the dent, you then take your iron, which is set on cotton, and you place it on top of the dent. Do not let your rag get dry. Just make sure that it keeps on being wet. You take the rag off, and presto, the dent is gone. If you have a large dent, you can do it with multiple applications, and that will help lift that dent out of your carpet. I've inspected my work, and it's perfect. My work here is done. I will see you on the next video. Subscribe. I've got some pressing things that I need to do, then I'll be right with you.